Yorkshire pudding. It's a traditional British dish that's been beloved in British cuisine for centuries. Despite its name, it's not a dessert pudding, but rather a savory side dish. It's often served as an accompaniment to roast meat, particularly roast beef. Let's take a closer look. Yorkshire pudding dates back to at least the 18th century. The first known recipe was published in 1737 in The Whole Duty of a Woman under the name dripping pudding. It was named for the drippings of fat that were collected from roasting meat, which were then used to cook the batter. The dish became particularly associated with Yorkshire, a region in northern England known for its rich culinary traditions. The basic ingredients for Yorkshire pudding are very simple: flour, eggs, milk, and a pinch of salt. The batter is similar to that of a pancake, but it's cooked differently. First, you have to prepare the batter. The batter is made by whisking together equal parts of eggs and milk by volume, and then gradually adding flour until the mixture is smooth. It should be left to rest for at least 30 minutes to ensure it's well combined and airy. Then, it's time to heat the fat. Traditionally, Yorkshire pudding is cooked in those fat drippings from a roast. The fat is heated in a baking tin or muffin tin until it's smoking hot. This step is crucial for achieving the classic crisp golden exterior. Now it's time to cook the pudding. The batter is poured into the hot fat and then baked at a high temperature, around 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. You cook it that way all the way up until it's risen and it's golden brown. This typically takes about 20 to 25 minutes. The result is a light, airy pudding with a crispy exterior and a soft, gentle, chewy interior. The contrast in textures is one of the defining features of a well-made Yorkshire pudding. It's traditionally served as part of a Sunday roast. It can be served on the side or used as a vessel for holding gravy and other accompaniments. In Yorkshire, it was historically served before the main meal as a way to fill up dinners, so people would eat less meat, which was much more expensive. There's also variations of Yorkshire pudding. You see, when you cook it with sausages, it's known as a toad in a hole. This variation combines the same batter with sausage, creating a hearty and filling dish that's perfect for a main course. But Yorkshire pudding is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of British culinary heritage. It reflects the resourcefulness and simplicity of traditional British cooking, turning basic ingredients into something extremely exquisite and delicious and comforting. Its association with Sunday roast dinners makes it a staple of British family meals and gatherings. It's a dish with a rich history, a cherished place in British cuisine. So why don't you give it a shot? Grab some of those simple ingredients laying around your house or that you could acquire at the grocery for fairly cost-effective means. It's a straightforward preparation. And when you're done, get that video or picture on social media and let's hear about it. These are Interesting Things with JC.